Okay, children, what we'll do? Topic soil. Okay, children, topic soil, part 4 we'll do. Pick the most suitable answer in question 1, question 2. In addition to rock particles, soil contains air and water and plants, minerals, organic matter, air and water, air and plants. What is the answer? Answer is third option. Minerals, organic matter, air and water. Water holding capacity is highest in dash. Which soil? Sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil, mixture of sand and loam. In the clay soil, the water holding capacity is highest in the clay soil. So match the items in column 1 in those of column 2. What is column 1? Home of living organisms, upper layer of soil, third one sandy soil, fourth one middle layer of soil, fifth one is clay soil. Options here in column 2 are large particles, all kinds of soil, dark in color, small particles packed tight, lesser amount of humus. I give an answer. Home for living organisms, all kinds of soil. Second, upper layer of soil is dark in color. Third one, sandy soil, large particles. Fourth one, middle layer of soil, lesser amount of humus. And clay soil, small particles and packed tight. Okay. Explain how soil is formed. Answer. Soil is formed to process of weathering. Weathering is a process of physical breakdown and chemical decomposition of rocks and minerals near or at the surface of the earth. That is breaking down of rocks into smaller particles. This is done by water, wind and climate. This is mainly done by water, wind and climate. As a result of this process, large rock pieces are converted into small pieces. As a result of this, large rock pieces are converted into smaller pieces. This mixes with humus to form the soil. This mixes with the humus to form the soil. Humus means what, children? Dead plant and animal matter decomposed by organisms in the soil that form the humus. Okay. How is clay soil useful for growing crops? Answer. Following are the properties of clay soil. It has a very good water holding capacity, rich in organic matter. For growing crops such as wheat, gram, paddy, soil that is good at retaining water and rich in organic matter is suitable. Therefore, clay soils having these characteristics are useful for such kind of crops. Differences between clay soil and sandy soil. Clay soil has small particles. Loamy not loamy soil difference. Children, this sandy soil. Okay, this is sandy soil, not loamy soil. Clay soil has small particles. Sandy soil has larger particles. Clay soil can hold good amount of water. So sandy soil cannot hold water. Clay soil is fertile. Sandy soil is not fertile. Air content is low. Air gets trapped between particles. Particles are tightly packed. Particles are loosely packed in loamy sandy soil. Good for growing crops, not good for growing crops. Okay. Sketch the cross section of soil and label the various layers. Horizon A, horizon B, horizon C, and bedrock. Horizon A, what it contains? Topsoil and humus. More amount of humus is present in the horizon A. In horizon B, what will be there? Lesser amount of humus, more of minerals. And horizon C, rocks and pebbles. Last one, bedrock. Bedrock is very difficult to dig, that layer of soil. Now we have a problem on percolation rate. Razia conducted an experiment in the field related to the rate of percolation. She observed that it took 40 minutes for 200 ml of water to percolate to the soil sample. Calculate the rate of percolation. Given amount of water is 200 ml. Percolation time 40 minutes. What is the formula for percolation rate? Amount of water, that is in milliliter, divided by percolation time in minutes. Answer 200 ml by 40 minutes. 5 milliliter per minute. Milliliter per minute is the unit for that. Unit for percolation rate. Okay. Explain how soil pollution, soil erosion could be prevented. Prevention of soil pollution. The persistent buildup of toxic compound in the soil is defined as soil pollution. To prevent soil pollution, its causes must be controlled. First one, reduce the use of plastics. Plastics and polythene bags destroy the fertility of soil. It should be disposed of properly, and if possible, the use should be avoided. Disposed of properly, you should throw it away safely so that it does not contaminate the soil. Industrial pollutants. Some waste products and industries also pollute the soil. These pollutants should be treated chemically to make them harmless before they are disposed of. Sometimes industries release toxic chemicals in the soil. So, in order to prevent soil pollution, what you have to do? You have to treat these chemicals before they are released into the soil. Insecticides. Other pollutants of soil include pesticides and insecticides. Therefore, excessive use of these substances should be avoided. Pesticides and insecticides used by farmers for crops, excessive use of these should be avoided. Prevention of soil erosion. Removal of upper fertile layer of soil by strong wind and flowing water is known as soil erosion. Removal of fertile layer of the soil or topsoil by strong wind and flowing water is known as soil erosion. Following steps can be taken to reduce soil erosion. Mass awareness to reduce deforestation. Helping local people generate regrading forest, planting trees. What you have to do? Plant more trees. Avoid overgrazing. All this can help in preventing soil erosion. So, mass awareness to reduce deforestation. Deforestation means prevent cutting down of trees. Deforestation, cutting down of trees. You have to practice more afforestation. Okay, afforestation means planting more number of trees. That will prevent soil erosion. Helping local people to regenerate degrading forest, planting trees. So you should encourage people to plant more trees and stop cutting down the trees and forest. This is a crossword puzzle here. Across 2, plantation prevents it. 5, use should be banned to avoid soil pollution. 6, type of soil used for making pottery. 7th, living organism in the soil. Down is first one, when desert soil erosion occurs through. 3rd, clay and loam are suitable for serious lake. 4, this type of soil can hold very little water. 5th one, collective name of layers of soil. What is the answer? I have given the answers here. You can check it out. Here I have given the answers here also. Plantation prevents it. What? Erosion. Use should be banned to prevent soil pollution. Polythene. Type of soil used for making pottery. Clay. Use should be banned to prevent soil pollution. Polythene. Type of soil used for making pottery. Clay. Living organism in the soil. Earthworm. In desert, soil erosion occurs through wind. Clay and loam are suitable for serious lake. Wheat. This type of soil can hold very little water. Sandy soil. Collective name for layers of soil is profile. See, answers are here. Okay, children. Okay, we'll continue with the next lesson in the next session. Okay, thank you.